Beyond the cream-colored Lutetian limestone of Paris lies a secret that defies the 19th century. We are stepping inside a residence where 150-year-old plasterwork breathes the same air as hypermodern glass and hidden intelligence. This is not a renovation, it is a structural rebirth. A sanctuary where the elite's heritage meets a gallery-grade future, invisible to the untrained eye. Prepare to leave the cobblestones behind as we unlock the most exclusive transformation in the city. The journey begins at the curb, facing a quintessential Haussmann facade that glows with the warmth of authentic Lutetian limestone. Every corbel and wrought iron balcony has been meticulously restored to its 1870s glory, preserving the rhythmic elegance of the Parisian streetscape. Yet, a subtle shift occurs at the entrance, a seamless, matte black steel door that hints at the radical modernity contained within these historic bones. It is a silent dialogue between the past and the present day. But what lies behind this heavy stone veil? Step into a breathtaking expanse where the volume of history meets the precision of a contemporary art gallery. The ceiling is a masterpiece of original 150-year-old plasterwork, its intricate rosettes contrasting sharply against stark, white gallery walls. Beneath your feet, rich oak herringbone floors ground the space, while a massive modular sofa in charcoal velvet defines the seating area. The air feels curated, light-filled, and impossibly quiet despite the bustling city just outside. Look closer at those moldings, they are hiding a secret. In the master suite, the atmosphere shifts toward a moody, tactile minimalism. The original crown moldings remain, but they now frame a floating platform bed draped in midnight silk. One wall is composed of matte black panels that absorb the light, creating a deep, cinematic contrast against the cream limestone accents. It is a sanctuary designed for sensory deprivation and ultimate rest, where history serves as a silent guardian to a very modern, very private piece. Comfort is ultimate, but where does the technology hide? The kitchen is a triumph of industrial elegance. A monolithic island, carved entirely from a single block of Lutetian limestone, serves as the room's heartbeat. It stands in defiant contrast to the floor-to-ceiling matte black cabinetry that conceals every appliance from view. There are no handles, no clutter, only the raw texture of stone against the precision of German engineering. It is a space where the culinary arts meet high-end architectural sculpture in perfect harmony. Efficiency is invisible here, hidden in the very walls. Ascending toward the heavens, the mezzanine introduces a structural marvel of glass and black steel. This architectural insertion appears to float within the double-height volume, anchored by a private elevator vestibule that offers direct, secure access to the suite. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the scale of the 150-year-old plasterwork from a perspective the original architects never intended. It is the bridge between the heritage of the past and the heights of the future. Wait until you see how this stone breathes. The primary bath is a temple of stone and light. A deep soaking tub, sculpted from the same cream limestone as the facade, sits center stage on a floor of dark, honed slate. The walls are a crisp, matte white, allowing the shadows of the original ornamental window frames to play across the surface. It is a space that feels both ancient and futuristic, a private spa where the weight of the stone provides a grounded sense of luxury that no modern material could ever replicate. The water is warm, but the view is better outside. Even in the heart of Paris, a private cour d'honneur provides a grand transition. This courtyard is a study in symmetry, featuring pristine gravel and manicured boxwood spheres that echo the geometry of the building. The Lutetian limestone walls tower above, creating a limestone canyon that traps the light and reflects it with a soft, ethereal glow. A single, minimalist sculpture sits under a focus spotlight, signaling that this is a home for a serious collector of beauty. But the true garden is tucked away in the back. Rising above the zinc-clad skyline, the rooftop terrace offers a panoramic embrace of Paris. Modern black outdoor furniture and seamless glass railings provide an unobstructed view of the Eiffel Tower's iron lace. The floor is laid with weathered oak planks, providing a warm, organic contrast to the historic stone chimneys that punctuate the space. It is the ultimate urban escape, where the sunset hits the limestone and turns the entire residence into a golden beacon. The city is at your feet, but work still calls. The home office is where the smart home integration reaches its peak. Floor-to-ceiling black steel bookshelves are recessed into 150-year-old alcoves, lit by invisible LED strips that highlight a curated library. A minimalist glass desk sits atop a vintage Persian rug, creating a workspace that feels intellectually charged and aesthetically pure. Here, the integrated technology allows the resident to control the entire environment with a soft touch against the classical plasterwork. Focus is easy when the design is this balanced. The rear garden is an intimate, hidden oasis. High limestone walls are draped in climbing ivy, creating a vertical forest that contrasts with a modern black steel outdoor fireplace. The landscaping is strictly geometric, featuring stone benches that seem to grow directly out of the ground. It is a silent, shaded retreat where the echoes of the city fade into the rustle of leaves, proving that luxury in Paris is often defined by the space you cannot see from the street. High above, the full scale becomes clear. This residence stands as a testament to the power of invisible luxury. By respecting the Lutetian limestone of the past while embracing a gallery-inspired future, the designers have created a space that is both a fortress and a masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour. In the world of high design, the most profound statements are often the ones hidden behind the most beautiful stones.